Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Nhlanhla Lux. The Operation Dudula organization says its doors are opened with anyone about their stance against undocumented foreign nationals. The group secretary general Zandile Dabula said Operation Dudula was open to meeting with anyone who wanted to talk about the critical issue of xenophobia. Dabula said they remained resolute in their fight against undocumented immigrants. She said, "We are not xenophobic, we only want illegal foreigners in South Africa. We don't know who Nigerians in South Africa are. We saw their invite on social media. We are willing to meet with them. Unfortunately, we won't be able to attend their dialogue. We have engagements in Durban. They must know where we stand. We are against illegal foreigners in our country. We are also fighting for jobs to be reserved for South Africans. The launch, which was planned for last weekend, could not take place because their leader Nhlanhla Lux was in police custody." Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.